Diarist taught me that makes any old stove brand new. I'm sure you have never cleaned the stove this way and will be surprised with the result after using. It is very simple and with a great result, using only 2 items that you have in your home. The first item for use is lime. For use, we should only cut in half. Here I am using 2 limes. You will use the amount necessary. For cleaning the items in your home, remembering that this tip is made perfectly for cleaning the burners of the stove, grills, and even the grills of the oven. I will demonstrate in this video the simplest way to clean the oven grill. For this, we will use directly one of the lime halves, and then also the detergent being the second item for this tip. The way of cleaning using these 2 items is ideal for removing stains and especially for grease marks. Using this way, you will notice the ease and differential in cleaning, mainly by directly using the lime to scrub the grill, and also works this way for cleaning the burners of the stove. To facilitate even more cleaning, we can also use a plastic bag, thus placing the grill and leaving the effect of lime for a few minutes. The ideal is to keep for up to 15 minutes. Only with a small amount of detergent and lime, we will have a great fat remover by the effect of detergent, and especially by the acidity of lime. When removing the grit from the plastic bag, much of the dirt has already been removed. To finish, we should only use a sponge, and with a small amount of detergent, remove the rest of the dirt. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to John Taylor from Scotland. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To finish only, we must remove all the excess detergent with water, and then the grit will be ready for use again. I'm sure you've never used lemon and detergent together in this way. This way of cleaning also works perfectly for the removal of dirt from grills used in grills. Tell me later if you got the desired result for the use of this tip today. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.